Hey, good morning. Jamie Schmidt, GreenWay Pressure Washing, Cherry Hill, New Jersey. I just want to show you a project we're working on for the community here. Let me put this camera. So what we're doing is we had a posting on social media. Any parks that are really dirty in our area that need to be cleaned up. We're going to go out and we're going to clean them with no charge for the community. So this is Kingsway Circle over in Cherry Hill. So right now we're just soaking everything down so we can sanitize it. And we're going to wash the whole thing down. Get it nice and clean for the kids. There you go, we're soaking it all down now. And then after we soap it, we'll come down and we'll wash it down and it'll be nice and clean, it'll be sanitized. So if you know any parks anywhere in the Cherry Hill area that need to be cleaned up, just reach out to us and we'll be happy to go clean them up at no charge for the community. Again, this is Jamie, GreenWay Pressure Washing, Cherry Hill, New Jersey. If you want to give us a call at 856-512-0008. If you know any parks that need to be cleaned up, we'll take care of it. Or check us out at greenwaypressurewashing.com.